Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix broken text issue on Windows 11. As you can see, I'm going to open a website, and as soon as I land on the page, the text quality seems very poor. This can be very annoying, and we need to fix this. How we can fix this? There are two methods. First one is you have to click on the search icon, then type run, and in the run tab you have to type ctune, click enter, then follow on screen instructions, turn on clear type, click next, and then you can pick and choose the best appearance box from this list. Click next, and then click finish. After that you have to close the browser, open it again, open the same website, and see if this fixes the problem. Yes, it's slightly better and improved, but it's not super crisp as we were expecting. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this tab, and we're going to move towards the next step, which is to click on the search area. In the empty search area, type sysdm.cpl, then press enter. You will land on the system's properties page. First tab is computer name, second tab is hardware, third tab is advanced. Click on advanced. Then in the performance tab, click on settings, and on the settings page, as you can see that this box is checked which says adjust for best performance. You have to make sure that you check adjust for best appearance, and then click apply, and then click OK, and then click OK. After that, come back to the same browser and open the website, and here we have slightly better and more refined text display on the website. So bonus tip, you can click on the settings and then click on the system, then click on the display. Once you land on the system's display tab, you have to look for scale and input. Make sure it's set to the minimum recommended depending on the overall resolution size on your PC or laptop. That's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.